What is going on, Pro Cutters? It's Sunday morning again, so time to make Kristen another coffee treat. And what's on the menu today? Of course, the internet craze, Dalgona coffee. But the Pro Cut's going to put a little twist on it, because it's how we do things around here. It's going to be all organic. I've got organic Florida Crystal. I've got organic fair trade instant coffee, and it's good coffee. It's not cheap crap, because Miss Pro Cut is a bit of a coffee snob, so only the best. We've got our whisk, we've got our tablespoon. Let's get ready to go. We need 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. There's the organic sugar. Remove the freshness seal off of the coffee. 1, 2 coffee, and then the water. 1, 2. And now we're ready to whisk for what I'm told is an eternity. Smells like coffee. What do you think? We're not even close yet. I'll put the times that this is taken in the comments, because I'm going to time lapse all this for you guys, because nobody needs to see me whisking this stuff. A bigger damn bowl might have helped, but I wanted y'all to be able to see it, and I didn't have any clear bowls that were bigger than this. Starting to get a little bit thick, but might be halfway there. Whew, I'm gonna need to switch hit. Old lefty's getting tired. Not very good with my right hand. Starting to thicken up a little bit more. This is one hell of an arm workout. I've seen mixed reviews about this stuff, so hopefully with the high-end instant coffee, it's better than with the low-end instant coffee. Otherwise, I'm probably going to be making an espresso for Miss Pro Cut after making her choke this down. We're at the 5-minute and 48-second mark since I've started the video, and guys, it's getting pretty good. I'd say it needs a little bit more. I'm rolling with this, guys. I think it's good enough. I'll get the milk out and the ice. Also organic. Like I said, that's how we roll on the Tennessee Tiny Homestead. Give this a little bit more. All right, guys, let's zoom you in here. All right, guys, so let's add in our coffee mixture. Oh, she looks good. Sometimes I wish I liked coffee. I enjoy making it for Mrs. Pro Cut, but I just never got a taste for it myself. All right, So there we go. We've got our organic Dalgona coffee, and we're going to get a reaction from Mrs. Procut and see what she thinks of it. So here we are, and we're going to get Mrs. Procut's reaction to the organic Procut Dalgona coffee. Take it away.
Wow, very strong. Really strong. Woo! It's pretty good though. It's not for instant coffee. I'm not an instant coffee drinker. This was a really high-end instant coffee. It was $18 for 3.5 ounces. It's from Germany. It's supposed to be really, really good. It is good. Not quite as smooth as traditional coffee, but it's good. It's sweet, which I don't like sweet coffee, so I'm kind of biased there, and then I don't like it. If you do like sweet coffee, you might like it, but it's not bad. I was a little scared another review that we looked at on YouTube wasn't great, but it's pretty good. I feel like I should mix it. I don't know. Are you supposed to mix it? John said you drink it just like this, but I feel like you should mix it.
Well, go ahead and try mixing it up.
Try mixing it and see.
And then see what it tastes like then. See what you think.
I'm going to make a mess. Oh, it's actually really hard to mix. You can't mix it. Well. We won't mix it.
All right, try it now.
That's a little creamier. That's pretty good, actually. I'm surprised. It's sweet though. It's not something I'd want every day, but like for a little treat, it's pretty good. 2 thumbs up.
Okay, guys, so there you have it. It's got Miss Procut's approval as a special treat, not an everyday drink, because she doesn't care too much for the sweet ones, but she liked it. Thumbs up. Looks like I won't be in the doghouse today. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Stick around for other challenges, other coffee drinks, and of course, you know my other adventures. Donovan's always hanging around. I got the tractor, I've got the drone. So thanks again. I appreciate all you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bless you all. I forgot to mention that this whole video was shot on Kristen's iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let me know if there's any video quality differences between this and my other videos. And of course, I've got the purple panda.